Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Facebook account. To delete your Facebook account, first click on browser, go to facebook.com, enter your email or phone and password. Click on login button. Now your Facebook account has been successfully logged in. To delete your account, click on Help button. Click on Help Center. Click on Managing your account. Click on Deactivate or Deleting your account. Click on How do I permanently delete my account? Click on Let us know. Click on Delete my account. Enter your password. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click on OK button. Now your Facebook will be permanently deleted after 14 days. Don't log in your account for 14 days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.